just going to be doing a quick tutorial on the acrylic keychain. So you'll need your acrylic letters or shapes, glitters. We're going to be using Blue Skies and Mermaid's Tail, which are both our own mixes. And we're using UV resin. You can use a normal 2-part resin, but for this one I'm going to use the UV. Keychain findings, some sticks and some little cups to stir. So first off, you want to start by removing the backing paper from the reverse side, because we're going to be putting the glitter onto the back of the letters. We're just going to mix just a small amount. They don't take much resin. And then we'll just mix our glitter into that. You want a fair amount of glitter because you do want it to be quite thick. And then we'll just stir that in and we'll start putting it on. You want to drag it towards the edges because it does pull in a little bit. So make sure you've got it on nice thick coat so most of it's covered. So with the mixes with the ultra fine, you do get a better coverage than just a plain chunky mix. We're just going to hit it with the UV light to cure it and do a flood coat of just clear over the top of that. This just helps smooth out any of the chunkies that might be sticking up, and we'll just hit it with the UV light again to cure it again. Now we're going to grab our vinyl. I've pre-cut a couple names, and we're going to remove the front protective sheet. This is the best part because you can see what it looks like from the other side. My lighting is really crappy today, sorry guys, so it's really hard to see the actual glitter. So we're going to grab our vinyl and we're going to put our name on. We'll just rub that down to get that to stick on. Then we're going to do a flood coat over the front, over the vinyl, just to hold it on. I do also like the effect it gives, just it domes it up a little bit. But you could also add the vinyl in reverse to the back and then cover that with glitter, and then you wouldn't have to put the resin over the front. So once that's all done and they've cured, you can go ahead and grab your keychains. So we'll just put the jump ring through the hole and attach the keychain. So I've got some little charms and tassels there as well, which I'm going to add to them. I'm going to open that one back up and put the charm onto that first jump ring. And we're just going to do the same on the other one. Then we're going to grab another jump ring and I'm going to put some little tassels on these ones. So you can add any little charms or tassels or whatever you wish. And that's it, they're done.